Gamerscreen presents Bar Guys Episode 3.
Hey, isn't that Lisa?
Bloody hell it is!
What's that she's with?
I don't know. I've never seen him before.
Didn't she ask you out once?
Yeah, I blew it out for that bitch, Anna. I always wondered what would happen if I'd gone out with Lisa instead. Perhaps we'd have got married, then developed an international lifestyle, jet-setting around the world together. Just her and me doing it in dead erotic places. A world of blissful happiness. Yeah, Lisa, my fucking wife.
Well, she's with that gringo now.
I can't believe that bastard. He's going out with my wife. Hey, yeah, that's my wife. Yeah, you, mate, that's my fucking wife.
Ah, that told him. And oh, it looks like he has something in his hand. Oh, are you alright?
I think I want a bloody divorce.